Hey guys, this is Raphael here, and I'm going to be showing you how to play a video in Unity without any code. So let's get straight to the point, and let's simply add in a video that we want. So I have a video that I downloaded online. It's an MP4 file, and I call it a meditate, because this is actually a meditation clip that I found online. And we're going to add in a canvas, so go right-click UI and press canvas. Okay, and so let's go over here and let's add in, right click, and let's add in a panel. So just right click your canvas and add in the panel, and there we can add in our stuff that we need for the video. So we could create a new render texture. So right click here and create, and let's look for render texture, this one. We're gonna need this for later as well, so do video texture. You can call it whatever you wish, but I'm just going to call it video texture for this. Let's get the dimensions for this video. So it is 640 by 358. Depending on what video you downloaded online, just check the resolution of it. Let's change the dimensions of this. So let me check again. So 640 by 358. So I'm going to head over to size and do 640 and plug those values in. And you should see the shape of the rectangle, the shape of the square has been changed to the shape of how it looks like in the Meditate 1 video, because we changed the size of it, the dimensions. Alright, and now you also want to create a raw image in a video player. So again, right click the panel, and we're going to look for raw image. Now this is basically where the video is going to be displayed. So I'm going to resize it. You can make it fill up the whole screen if you want to, but I'm going to resize it like this. So if you look at it, you can look at it how it will look like if we play the actual game. And then also want to add in a video player. So go right click on the panel and go video, and then do video player like this. Alright, let's go to video player. So on the very left on the hierarchy, let's click on video player, and let's go to video clip, which is on the very right. So we're going to drag in our video clip onto video clip here. In my case, I called mine Meditate 1. So just drag it onto video clip, and then down for target texture, so underneath render mode, go drag in the texture, which is video texture, drag it right in, and now we're going to, okay, so now that's been done, let's go to raw image again. And in the texture, you can also drag in video texture as well. Alright, so let's click play, and let's see how the video looks. Alright, and that's how you play a video in Unity without programming. So, thank you very much for watching. If this video helped you out, leave a like and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.